Hi everyone, it's Mr. V. This is a quick video on the types of symmetry that are found in different types of animals. I made this video in case you can't print out the paper or your printer doesn't work. I have the models here in front of me, and I also have the questions on the screen to the left. I'm going to go down them one at a time, starting with the first one. What type of symmetry does the fish display? After you cut out the model, it should look something like this, and you can either tape it or glue it. If you have the model look like this, it clearly has a left and right side, which look like mirror images of each other. Animals that have left and right sides have what's called bilateral symmetry. The line of symmetry that divides it into a left and right side is right down the center, like this. All right, next question. What type of symmetry does the jellyfish display? And how many lines of symmetry are there? The jellyfish, and this model looks like it's supposed to be looking at the jellyfish from the top down, has radial symmetry because it's circular in shape. Animals with radial symmetry have multiple lines of symmetry depending on where you slice up the animal. If I take something like a ruler, if you cut the animal down this way, the left and right side would look the same. And even if you were to rotate it, again, the left and right side would look the same. They would look like mirror images of each other. Another line of symmetry would be here. The top and bottoms would look the same, and if you rotated it, it would still look the same. You can also cut it down this way, diagonally, or this way. So again, multiple lines of symmetry for radial animals. Third question is asking, what animal do you think is faster in terms of swimming and why? I think most people would, from common experience, argue that the fish is much faster. That can be explained in that it has bilateral symmetry, and that animals with this type of symmetry have a head to one side and a flipper to the other side or tail. And because of this specialization in their body and how it's organized, they are able to move much faster, or swim much faster in this case, as opposed to a jellyfish, which really just has tentacles, and it has to move its entire body structure, and as you know, jellyfish are much slower. Finally, the last question is, and I'm trying to get through this question because it's very long and wordy, it's asking or explaining that the fish has one of some body parts, and then other body parts actually come in pairs. This fish has a single head and a single tail, and if you notice by cutting out the other parts, these flippers, the flippers come in pairs because they look the same, and that's because they occur on the left and right side of the animal. A general statement or generalization you can make is that single body parts occur in a fish or an animal with bilateral symmetry at the ends, while the body parts that occur in pairs usually are located on the left and right sides of the animal. Okay, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you to complete this assignment, and I'll see you in classroom.